2019 Ford Mustang 5.0 Coyote motor. Bought it back 2 weeks ago. We did X-pipe on it, eliminated the resonator, and now he brought it back and we just did a muffler delete on it. Let you guys see it in a minute with blue flame tips. Still got the original cat still, less than 1,000 miles on it. We did an X-pipe instead of the resonator, and then we did a muffler delete on each side, right there, right there. There it is right there. Blue flame tips. Come out beautiful. Let us know what you guys think about the sound. 1991 Ford Mustang 5.0. Still got the stock converters there and there. And then it's got two more there and there. It's got a factory H-pipe. And then we did a muffler delete right there and right there. And then it's got 2.5-inch factory tailpipes. Looks like it's been replaced before. So it's a 2.5-inch system with 2.25 stock factory cats. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. GT, can't see it, it's right there. There's a blue flame tips. That's what all Mustangs should sound like. Standard too. Hope you guys like the sound. The 5.0s never disappoint. Had some 40 series Flowmasters on it. It wasn't too loud. He's like, I want it louder. And hit up his YouTube channel. It's called Mike 5.0, but the 5.0 spelled out. A really nice Mustang. All right, guys, have a great day. Hey, man, you got to go beast mode on it, okay?
Hey, if I saw you betting my pussy.
I won't. We'll cut it out if you do. No, it's the same. 5.0 LX series.